In this tutorial session we shall learn to design a car racing track. This is a very specialized design work in terms of the horizontal alignment and the cross-section of the carriageway. The horizontal alignment is designed as a closed traverse with curves at each intersection point. User may draw the traverse by using polyline by starting from a corner and finish the closed traverse at the same point. As this corner is not an intersection point, so no curve can be provided at this corner. So this traverse alignment is modified internally by making the start and end point at the center of the longest straight segment. Here the bearings on either side of the straight segment are kept same and curves are provided at all other intersection points. Cross-section is created as a parabolic curve with two intersecting grades. First grade is fixed at 0 grade and the second grade is at a desired cross slope. In this session we shall be using the tutorial data where the various major option data are available in stepwise manner. Select Heads Pro main menu item file, then select Working Folder. The working folder is selected as C, Work, click on button OK. Next, select Heads Pro main menu item file, then New / Open Racing Track Design. Next, the project workspace opens. User has to click on button Open Tutorial Example Data. This will create project folder in the working folder. Select tab Process Survey Data. The step 1 for ground model opens. Next, click on button Create Ground Model. As the ground model is created, the message comes. Click on button OK. The ground model and string is displayed in the list. Click on the color box, select any desired color, click on button Draw and the ground model is drawn on the right side window. Next, select the step 2 for triangulation, select string P0 for triangulation, click on button Create Triangulation Model. As the process box comes, click on button Proceed. As the process is over, the message comes, click on button OK. Next, select the step 3 for contour. Click on button Create Contour Model. As the contours are created, click on button Save and close the contour window by selecting the icon from the bottom and click on Quit. Next, click on button Draw Contour Model. Next, select tab Racing Track Design. The step 4 for horizontal alignment design opens. Next, click on button Proceed for Process Halon Design Data. The 200 Halon data displayed in the left side panel will be processed to create the horizontal alignment as the closed traverse for the racing track. As the process starts, click on button Proceed. As the process is over, the message comes about the report. Click on button OK and Finish. Next, click on button View Halon Design to update and display the design. User may click on buttons to display shenages and curve details of the designed alignment. User may also see the modified start and end point of the closed traverse. Next, select the step 5 for various default data to create the parabolic cross-section of the carriageway. User has to click on button Save Data after any modifications done in the design data. In tutorial data, user may keep the data unchanged. Next, select the step 6 for design of vertical profile of the closed traverse, click on button ground long section. As the process comes, click on button proceed. As the process is over, click on button view ground long section. The ground long section will be displayed on the right side window. Next, click on button proceed for process via line design data. The 300 via line data displayed in the left side panel will be processed to create the vertical alignment as the closed traverse for the racing track. As the process starts, click on button proceed. As the process is over, the message comes about the report. Click on button OK and finish. Next, click on button View via Line Design to update and display the design. Next, select the step 7 to define cross-section by creating major option data for offset, X section and interface. User has to click on button Assign to save the data. Next, select the tab Process Cross-Section Data and click on button Process Cross-Section Data. This will start the batch processing for data related to offset, XSEC and interface. Click on button Proceed to start the batch process. As the 3 processes are over, click on button Finish. Next, draw the various strings in the plan layout to display in the right side window. Next, click on button Create Cross-Section Drawings. As the cross-section drawings are created, user may view any cross-section by selecting its tonnage from the list. Next, select the step 8 to process the data for volume for estimation of earthwork quantity. Next, select the step 9 to process the data for plan, profile, and cross sections. And the drawings will be created. Next, select the step 10 to create the project data file to process in batch mode in future. User may open the project data file in Notepad to take printout, etc. User may also view the survey data file and various Dane report files. Finally, the user may open all the plan, profile, and cross-section drawings to view. The drawings may also be saved in the desired format in a desired folder. The session may be closed by saving the project data file. This finishes the current session of design of car racing track as the closed traverse and forming cross sections of the carriageway in parabolic shape.